this video, I am sharing a new PocketNail PC100GR pen-shaped, innovative, portable, rechargeable nail drill. This is new from MelodySusie, and I love all of their products. I use them all the time. You guys know that. I can't say enough about MelodySusie, but anyways, let's look at what's in the box. And I love the packaging, PocketNail on it. And then, of course, it says MelodySusie, and it tells you it's a P series. And of course, the name of the drill. Nice packaging, packaged well, doesn't get damaged in the mail, which is nice. And then you just open it up like this. Okay, so let's take a look in the box. And of course, this is the drill. How nice is that? Now this comes in 4 different colors. You can mix and match. I have them up on the screen, the color choices, so it can look really funky and neat mixing and matching. And I also received an extra power bar, which is nice. So now we'll take a look at what else is in the box, and then I'll explain more about the drill. So of course it comes with the standard bits, and there's the mandrel bit and a bunch of diamond bits, it looks like, and some sanding bands. These ones look more, well, there's some coarse and finer ones in there. And then of course it comes with actual, looks like it's got, yes, this is what controls it if you plug it in. And then it has a rechargeable cord as well. So let's just take a look at this for a sec. So yeah, this is if you're wanting to have it plugged in. And it has reverse and forward and the on off. And this drill, just so you know, it's 20,000 RPM. So that's pretty good for a little drill that it goes that high. That's why it's great, beginner friendly or a nail enthusiast, because it has high enough RPMs to get started and get familiar with a drill. And I think the nice thing too is you can take this with you wherever you go, because it is so compact, which is really nice as well. And they send you a cute little MelodySusie pouch for it. I'll just show you before we move on. So you stick it in, whoops. So you stick it in there. So it's ready to go. Get the idea. It's a really nice pouch. And it has a little clip that you can put on the drill and clip onto your clothes. Has the instructions in here. Which is always good. Always read before you start using something so you get familiar with it. And it also has their warranty information. So if you have any troubles with it, you can look at this card and contact them. So now I'm just going to move this aside and we're going to look at the drill a little better. So the nice thing about this drill, this is the power bar, and of course this is the bottom of the drill, but I also have an interchangeable power bar. So say you're working with this and it goes dead and you want it to be cordless, then you can just put this one on, and then you have a new fully powered drill ready to go to work on your client or yourself some more. So with this drill, when it's fully charged, you can get 4 to 6 hours out of it, and it just takes an hour to recharge. So that's really nice. I still think it's really fun though that you can interchange the colors, so you can make it to your style if you like more funky and bright, or if you want it more all of the same color, that's up to you, but they give you that option, which I think is really neat. So we'll look at the drill here better. So of course you've got the screen here, and I'm just going to turn it on. It's probably charged. Yes, it is. It always is charged when they send it. And it looks like it has, I'm assuming there's going to be 3 power bars here, but it looks like there's 2 lit up, so it's partially charged. And you can hear it's very, very quiet. I'll let you listen for a second. Now we're going to turn it up and hear it. So we're at 2 RPMs, 3, 4. Can you see the number changing there? Okay, so this is the max. This must, when you get to 9, you're at 20,000 RPMs then. And then I'm just gonna pause it, so I'll click this. So to switch the direction in which you want it to go, forward or reverse, you just click this quickly. I'm just gonna turn up here, and then, so now it's in reverse, and then I'm gonna click it again, and it shows the F. You probably saw that. It's very quick. It showed the F, and then it showed the R for reverse. So the power button, just very quickly change it, and there it's showing the R again. Hopefully you can see that. And then clicking it quick again, it's going to forward. So really easy to use. And it's really nice and quiet. It's very lightweight, very smooth. There's no heat whatsoever from this. I'm going to be using this on my client today. She's coming in for a fill, so I want to try it out. I may not use the bits that they sent with this, but I want to share using this with you so you can see and decide if you want to purchase one for yourself to use at home. Again, this drill is really beginner friendly. It has low torque, and that just makes it really nice. So there's no risk of accidentally making contact with the drill bit and hurting yourself. And that's very important when you're starting out. You want to just make sure that you're really careful, and that this drill is going to do that for you. So I'm just going to unscrew it to show you. So of course there is the power pack, and then there's the base of it. And so another neat thing about this drill, which I haven't explained yet, so you can obviously put the little clip on and clip it to your clothes, but this is now a drill itself, and I can take the cord that they gave me and it becomes a very small drill, and you can plug it in. How neat is that? So you kind of have like 2-in-1. You can have a smaller one that you can plug in, and I'm just gonna plug it in so we can use the little controller here. So you can see now it's on because there's the blue light. So I'm just gonna turn it on. So you can see I turned it on. There's the off button here, and there's reverse and forward. So we'll put it in forward and we'll turn it up. I'll let you listen. I think it's great that they give you 2 options. And I will show you quickly before I put it back together the way it was before. Just gonna grab a bit out of here. So the bits just go in like this, and they're in there, and you just push them down and you pull them out. And that's how you use your bits. Very simple. And then pull it out. And I'm just gonna take this apart again, but I think that's really neat. I had to show you how you can use it as a little drill, or you can use it as a rechargeable and cordless big drill. So let's go back to the other one, because I'm going to be using the rechargeable and cordless on my client today. And I may even use the plug-in and the little one just on one nail, just to show you how it works. So putting the power pack back on, and then you just twist it until it's on. And then I'm just gonna show you again, same thing, putting a bit in, just push it down, and then you're pulling it out and it's ready to go. So I will just show you where we plug it in to charge it. So it's right at the back here, and this is the charging cord that came with it. Just plug it in there, and then I'm just gonna plug it in to show you. This is the other end, of course. And you can see the red light blinking. Hopefully you can see that, and that shows it's charging. So I'll have it ready to go when my client arrives and we'll try it out. So I really enjoyed using this little drill. I think it's great for a beginner, a nail enthusiast. It's perfect for learning how to use a drill properly and not hurting yourself in any way, because they can be dangerous, mostly the higher RPMs if you're not knowing how to use them. And this is at 20,000 RPMs, which is great for a beginner nail tech or just a nail enthusiast, like I said. So MelodySusie, I love this product. I love that you can interchange. I think that's wonderful. It could be a lot of fun being able to switch out the colors. I should have actually got a different color to show you, but you can interchange, which is nice. So I want to thank MelodySusie for sponsoring this video. So I will have the link for this drill down in the description of the video as well. I do have a 12% off coupon code you can use. So click that link to find it. It makes it a lot easier than trying to search their site. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? And I will see everybody in the next one.